Hey guys, so the question today is, what is this Click and Picket channel about anyway? Let's find out. Hello? Hello, yeah. This is Jerry Seasmall. What can I do for you? Oh, Vern, Dahnke, I remember you. You're the Click and Picket guy. Yeah. So Click and Picket started out as a fine art photography website, clickandpicket.com. And if you go there, you can see the artwork, fine art giclée prints that I've made. But I had no way to send those prints to an audience. And so the only way to create an audience is by YouTube. So that's how my YouTube channel began, Click and Picket. We need us a clickbait. We're gonna make some clickbait today. We're gonna clean our lenses. We're gonna use our tongue.
Cap and Lens here. You treat me, Cap, like a second-rate piece of gear.
And so, if you're not up to my caliber, then just go away. Go away. We're not talking. You're not worth it. Not worth it.
Fungus, fungus, fungus among us. Fungus, fungus, fungus among us. It's not in your fungus. It's not in your fungus. It's in your lens. It's in your lens.
Is anything in a straight line will cause a deeper scratch. Anything in an orbital type fashion will cause less of a scratch. So anytime you wipe your lens, never wipe it straight across. Always wipe it in a circular fashion. So if there was a small piece of grit, it's going to be a less deeper scratch. Okay? So let's go.
Very soon. But before we end it, we should sing the jingle, right?
Right. Click, 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 click and a picket.
Click, 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 click and a picket. Click, 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 click and a picket. Click, click, click. Thanks, Vern.
Thank you, brother.
Click, 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 click and a picket. Click, 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 click and a picket. Click, 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 click and a picket. Click, click.